Hello. My name is Tom, this is my day. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. At 7:30, I make breakfast. I eat eggs and bread, I drink tea, breakfast is good. At 8 o'clock, I get dressed. I leave the house. At 9 o'clock, I go to work. I work on my computer. At 12 o'clock, I have lunch, I eat rice and chicken, I drink water. At 1 o'clock, I go back to work, I work more. At 6 o'clock, I finish work. I go home. I read a book. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed, I sleep, this is my day. Thank you.